How to use credit balance in Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. First up, select any of the item that you want to purchase. Add the item to the cart. Once we're done with adding items to the cart, head towards the cart section. Now in this page, you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart and you want to purchase. You can check in for the items that you want to purchase and click on the option of checkout. Now you have to fill the shipping address. After you provide your shipping address, by scrolling down, you have to select your payment method. Then you want to see the option of apply coupon code. If you have any coupon code, you can type in over here and apply it and get the discount. Below coupon code, you will find the option of credit. Click on that option and then type in your credit amount. After you do that, scroll down and click on submit order. With that, your credit balance will be used in your purchase. Well, this way you can easily use credit balance in Temu. In the checkout page, you will find the section of credit balance. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.